In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a tick box in Google Keep Notes. If you've been using Google Keep to manage your tasks and create lists, you might be familiar with the checkbox feature. It's great for tracking completed tasks, but sometimes you may decide to revert a checklist back to a regular note. Stick with me and I'll guide you through this process in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll first want to head over to your browser and access Google Apps. Look for the set of small squares at the top of the screen indicating the Google Apps menu. From there, locate Google Keep. If it's your first time here, you're going to love how simple and efficient this app is for note-taking and organizing tasks. Once you've spotted Google Keep, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you directly to the Google Keep homepage, where all your notes are housed. Whether you've got a handful or a myriad of notes, they'll all be visible here. Now find the specific note from which you want to remove the tick box. If this note is a list, you'll see tick boxes next to each item. Click on your list to open it, revealing all items within. Now that you have your list open, look to the right. You should see a small X icon. This indicates a deletion option for the entire checkbox list. So if your intent is to simply transform the list back into a regular text note, you might want to avoid this. Instead, for a non-permanent change, there's another way. Instead of pressing the deletion icon, you can hide the checkboxes, thereby transforming the list into a plain note. To do this, look at the upper right corner where you'll find a three-dot menu icon, commonly known as the More options. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Within the options provided, you'll see Hide Checkboxes. Selecting this will immediately remove all the checkboxes from your list, turning it back into a plain text note. This approach is ideal if you anticipate needing the list format again in the future, as you can easily re-enable it by selecting Show Checkboxes from that same menu. Lastly, don't forget to close the note once you're finished. This is as simple as clicking the X at the top right of your note window. Whether you've hidden checkboxes or pressed delete earlier, closing the note saves your changes, ensuring your task list is looking just how you want. There you go.